Welcome to this beginner's tutorial on Mailgun, a powerful email delivery platform designed to help developers and businesses send, receive, and track emails efficiently. So, whether you're just getting started or looking for a quick refresher, this video will walk you through the basics of using Mailgun for email sending in 2024. But before we get started, what is Mailgun? Mailgun is an email automation service tailored for developers and businesses to streamline their email communication. Known for its robust API and reliable performance, Mailgun enables users to send transactional emails such as order confirmations or password resets and marketing emails at scale. So now let's get started. So first you want to go to mailgun.com and sign up for an account. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page or dashboard. Now we will now be welcomed to Mailgun. So let's get you started. What are you using Mailgun for? So you can either answer this or just click on show me later. But for now, let's just select send and receive emails. Now from here, this is how our dashboard will look like when we just signed up for an account. So we will have this get started section right here. So this is what's good about Mailgun because they will help us start using their platform. So what you want to do first is do all of this stuff right here, such as create an API key, send a test email, add your custom domain. You can also send a production email and explore the suppressions lists. But before we do all that, let's just walk you through all of the features of Mailgun. So now let's go to our dashboard. So as you can see from here, this is how our dashboard will look like. So we will see performance tables right here. So we will see the sending overview, whether our emails are accepted, delivered, failed, or opened. We can also filter out the dates of when you want to see all of the emails. So you can also see your account settings right here in the right side. You'll also see all of the emails right here that are delivered, failed, or suppressed. So we also have this optimize section right here. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different tables such as the email health score, your critical bounces, the Google Postmaster domain reputation, your inbox placement, block list monitoring, spam trap monitoring, and email validation. So basically, this is all of the overview of your work in your dashboard. Next is we have the send section. So we have reporting right here. As you can see, we can dive deeper into our analytics. So let's just click on take a look. From here, you can select up to 3 dimensions to view data. You can also dig deeper with 40 plus key metrics. From here, we can also refine or filter our search. And we can create a saved report for easy access. So basically right here, the reporting, we have the metrics. Again, this is just the overview of our work. You have the saved reports right here if you have saved one. And from here, we have our logs. So as you can see, basically it's just metrics and logs and our saved reports. So here in the sending section, we will see overviews, basically again, analytics for our emails. From here, we will see our domains. So we have a custom domain right here provided by Mailgun. We have the overview. We have the logs also, the analytics, And the templates for our emails. So as you can see right here, we can create our message template. As you can see, they have a bunch of different templates right here. So we can either create by using drag and drop editor or by coding it in HTML. Next is the suppressions. So from here, we will see the bounces of our messages. Also have webhooks right here. So again, you can add webhooks to your domains. To do that, just click right here in the top right. Next is IPs. So from here, you will see the dynamically assigned shared IPs. Our mailing lists. So again, we can create mailing lists for our contacts. So let's say like this. You can see just fill up all of the information right here. Next is our domain settings. So basically, this is just the settings of our domain. So you can just feel free to adjust the settings. Next is receiving. So we can create routes to handle our incoming mail. Next is optimize. From here, we can simply just edit or optimize our inbox placements, our reports, a seed list, email preview, block list monitoring, the spam trap monitoring, bounce classification, and all that. Next is validate. So from here, we can validate our first list. So just click on validate contacts. So from here, you can select the name list or upload a list. So you can upload a CSV file right here to upload your contacts. So that's basically all the features or the sections right here. In the very bottom, they also have this AI assistant. So Mailgun has AI assistant. So if you're confused with something, you can always ask AI assistant. And basically that's it. So to get started, just go to the get started section and do all of this stuff, such as first create an API key. As you can see, add the description, the role, and what does each role have access to. From here, just create the key. Next is you want to add a custom domain. And let's go back. And again, next we can send a test email. As you can see, how would you like to send your emails? You can select API or SMTP. And basically just follow all of this get started instructions right here. And you'll get the hang of how to use Mailgun in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.